Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? I happen to have purchased something that will make my videoing possibly a lot better for you all. So this is what I bought. One thing I'm kind of disappointed about is, can you all hear this? They didn't do a very good job packing it, but let's hope everything's okay. So let's get into the box and I'll show you what I got. I went out and I purchased a GoPro 8 Black directly from GoPro. They had them on sale. They're regularly, what was it? $3.99, $100 off. So it was $2.99 for a Hero 8 Black. And then while I was ordering it, I also went ahead and bought the extra battery and a charger, like $50 more. So if you're looking to buy a GoPro 8 Black, go on GoPro's website because they sometimes have a good deal. Right now they're running another deal where you get this combo kit for like $349. You get it's like a selfie stick, tripod, one battery, a memory stick. Oh, I'm supposed to also have a memory stick in this. So let's open it up. A little disappointed that there was no... Oh, there's my memory stick. There's the memory stick that came with it. So it did come with my memory stick, so I got everything in the box. I am a little disappointed that there was no packing. So, hey, GoPro, when you ship stuff out, maybe a little packing. So there is the GoPro 8 Black. That's the reason why I bought it. I was going to buy an Akaso V50X for like $100, but the sound quality sucks on those. So looking around, I was like, you know, why don't I just buy the Bullet and buy the best brand? GoPro's the best brand. This camera is going to do everything I need it to do. It has excellent sound quality, 4K, 1080p. It's going to do everything that I need it to do. So if you're looking for a good deal on one, I would definitely go onto GoPro's website and look around. Probably another reason why they're dropping the price on them is because the GoPro 9s are getting ready to come out. So let's see here. To open it, you're supposed to pull that tab, then open up the bottom, and then come on. It's supposed to slide out. Of course, mine's been rolling around in the box, and it doesn't want to. There we go. Very nice box. There we are. So to get the camera off its mount, you're supposed to have to lift up on the safety, and then this slides right on out. There we go. First impressions, it's about the same size as the sports camera I'm using right now, which was a $48 sports camera that I bought back in 2016. Very lightweight. Of course, there's no battery in it right now. I'm still worried about this mounting system. People have complained that the two tabs aren't very strong and wobble, but this seems to be very strong. There must have been something wrong with that other guy's camera that I watched. So there's the GoPro 8 Black. Let's see. And also too, the mounting here, a lot of people take this and they make another mount out of. So I'm probably going to take this mount and I'll drill a hole in it and put a 1/4-inch thread so I can thread it onto my other accessories. And also too, I have another accessory. Let's open up this. See what else is in the box. All right, so we have a USB-C charging cable. We have another shoe that's curved for like a helmet. And we have the GoPro 8 black batteries, which is the blue top. And we have some advertisements, unlimited storage stuff up, and a quick setup guide. Have questions, ask the answer, no return to the store. So just go to the website. What else we got here? Oh, we got some stickers. All right, we got some GoPro stickers. And then we have the user's manual that the print is so small that you need a magnifying glass to read. Let's open up the batteries in the charger case. Looks like we can get to it through the bottom. Another owner's manual, safety manual for the charger. So we get a extra battery, and we get the charger, and we get another cord. So for $50, you get the GoPro charger, a GoPro cord, and another battery. And I always like to write on the batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I know which one it is. All right, everybody. Well, there is my newest purchase, a GoPro 8 Black. And like I said, the reason why I bought this is, I know it's 3 times as much as an Akaso, but it does everything. It does everything that I'm going to want it to do. It's going to shoot 4K, which I really don't shoot 4K. I usually shoot 1080p. The biggest thing is the audio. The audio on the camera I'm using right now keeps going up and down. Every time I shut it off, the volume drops down real low. Then the next video, it's really high and back and forth. So I thought this would be the way to go. So let me get the batteries charged on this, and we will start using this. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always take and do that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the video. I'm really excited about having a new GoPro. I did buy a screensaver for the front and for the back. That has not come in yet. But we'll get the batteries charged and start doing some filming. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you all later.